Hi everyone, I'm James, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create 3 common graphs in SPSS, a bar chart, pie chart, and line graph. When I first started learning SPSS, the graph part seemed confusing. But once I understood the steps, it became really easy. And I'm going to help you get there too. Let's get started. Before we jump into SPSS, let's quickly look at the dataset we'll be working with. We surveyed a group of students and asked them which pet they prefer. The data shows the number of students who chose each pet type. As you can see, we have 2 columns, one for the pet type and one for the frequency. That's the number of students who selected that type of pet. We'll now enter this data into SPSS and use it to generate our graphs. Let's begin by entering the data. In variable view, I'll create 2 variables. Pet type, a string for categories like dog, cat, bird, etc. Frequency, a numeric value to show how many students picked each pet. Then in data view, I'll enter the data accordingly. To make sure SPSS reflects the correct counts when generating graphs, we need to apply weights based on the frequency column. Go to Data greater than weight cases, choose Weight Cases By, and select the frequency variable. Then click OK. Let's create our first chart, a bar graph. Go to Graphs greater than Chart Builder, choose Bar, and select the simple bar chart. Drag pet type to the x-axis, and for the y-axis, SPSS will automatically count cases because we've applied weights. Click OK, and your chart will appear. You can edit the title, change the bar colors, and adjust labels by double-clicking the graph. Next, let's create a pie chart. Go back to Chart Builder, choose Pie Chart, and drag in the pet type variable. Make sure it's set to display by frequency. Again, customize your chart by editing labels, percentages, and title. Now let's create a line graph, useful for visualizing trends. Suppose instead of pet types, we had data over time, like survey responses over different years. You would go to Chart Builder greater than line, choose the simple line, and assign your variables to the x and y axis appropriately. If your data set includes a time variable, assign it to the x-axis and the value to y anywhere. And that's it. We've created a bar chart, pie chart, and line graph in SPSS using simple steps. Remember, apply weights correctly, use Chart Builder, and always double-check your variables. If this video helped you, drop a like, leave your questions below, and subscribe for more SPSS and student-friendly tutorials. See you in the next video.